my channel Problems and Solutions. Today once again I am coming to here with your social science. From today onwards I will give you that chapter wise all MCQ. I think it will be very helpful for you. So let's start our video. Chapter 9 History MCQ. History chapter 9 MCQ. These are first question. Who was the British government's last Governor General? Lord Mountbatten, Lord Warren Hastings, Lord Cornwallis or Lord Wellesley? The answer will be Lord Mountbatten. Okay. Now next question. Who was India's first Home Minister? Options are here: Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Subhash Chandra Bose or Motilal Nehru. What will be the answer? Answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Okay, now come to the next question. Who was India's first president? Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Mrs. Pratibha Patil, Dr. Manmohan Singh, Mrs. Indira Gandhi. What will be the answer? Answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Okay. Then now come to the next question. When did Pondicherry become an union territory? When did Pondicherry become an union territory? The options are here: in the year 1963, in the year 1968, in the year 1961, in the year 1960. What will be the answer? Yes, in the year 1963. Okay. Now come to the next question. When did the reorganization law was implemented? The options are here: in 1956, in 1958, in 1857, in 1868. What will be your answer? The answer is in 1956. Okay. Now come to the next question. Who is called as the Iron Man of India? Options are here: Veerappa, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jyotirao Phule. What will be your answer? Yes, that answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Okay. Next question. Which is the first state found on the basis of language in India? Which is the first state found on the basis of language in India? Okay. Options are here: Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Karnataka. So what will be your answer? That answer is Andhra Pradesh. Okay. It is the state border of Karnataka also. State that means you can say that your neighboring state. Okay, no? Next question. Who started first unto death satyagraha for formation of Andhra Pradesh? Options are here: Potti Siramullu, Puttabasappa, Sangoli Rayana, Veerappa. What is your answer? Yes, that answer is Potti Siramullu. Okay. Now come to the next question. Who is the chairman of State Reorganization Commission? Options are here: Justice Fazal Ali, K.M. Panikar, M.N. Kunjuru, Potti Siramullu. Okay. So what will be your answer? That is first one, Justice Fazal Ali. Okay. Next question. When was Mysore state formed? That is, options are here: 1st November 1956, 1st December 1958, 1st January 1986 or 1st October 1955. So what is your answer? That answer is 1st November 1956. Okay. Then next question. When was Mysore state renamed as Karnataka? Options are here: 1st November 1973, 1st October 1971, 2nd May 1983, 14th November 1970. Here I think all of you know the answer. That is 1st November 1973. It is also you are celebrating as a Rajyotsav, isn't it? Okay. Next question. Who was our first Prime Minister of India? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Indira Gandhi, Motilal Nehru or Lal Bahadur Shastri? What is your answer? Yes, that is Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay. Next question. Name the main settlement of Tibetan refugees in Karnataka. Options are here: Bailukuppe, Santhal, Birsa, Munda. What is your answer? I think all of you know that is Bailukuppe. Okay. Next question. Under whose leadership it was successful in integrating the princely states to Indian Federation? That may integrate the princely states in India. Who that person? Options are here: Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, or Subhash Chandra Bose. Answer is which one? That is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Okay. Next question. When Junagadh joined with Indian Federation? Options are here: in 1949, in 1947, in 1948, or in 1950. What is the answer? The answer is in 1949. Okay. Now next question. When Hyderabad integrated into India? Options are here: in 1949, in 1948, in 1947, in 1950. The answer is in 1948. Okay. Come to the next question. Before 1947, who was the king of Jammu and Kashmir? Options are here: Hari Singh, Ranjit Singh, Pratap Singh, Rana Pratap. Yes, answer is Hari Singh. Okay, come to the next question. When did UNO issue battle truce in Jammu and Kashmir of India? Answer is question number 18 is also there. When did Hari Singh agree to join India? Options are here: in October 1947, in December 1947, in November 1948, or in January 1950. Answer is here in October 1947. Okay. Next question. When did UNO issue battle truce in Jammu and Kashmir of India? Options are here: on 1st January 1949, on 1st October 1947, on 1st November 1948, or on 1st December 1949. Answer is that is on 1st January 1949. Okay. Next question. What is the full form of POK? That is, options are here: Pakistan occupied Kashmir, Pakistan over Kashmir, Kashmir occupied by Pakistan, or Pakistan occupied in Kashmir. Answer is your Pakistan occupied Kashmir. Okay. Next question. When was Goa liberated from the Portuguese? In 1955, in 1965, in 1975, in 1985. When? That is our first answer, in 1955. Okay. Next question. When was Indian Army entered to Goa under its control? Options are here: in 1960, in 1961, in 1955, or in 1987. So here the answer is in 1955. Okay. Now the next question. In which year Vishala Mysore state came into existence? That is, finally Vishala Mysore state came to in existence. Options are here: in 1956, in 1958, in 1961, in 1970. The four options are here. The answer is the first one, that is in 1956. Okay. Now come to the next question. How many union territories in India? That is, how many union territories? I think all of you know. That is answer B, 9 territories. So students, I think these all questions are enough from this chapter. You just go through the chapters thoroughly, and after that you just listen this one. That will be very helpful for you. So just if you are not subscribed still yet, you just do that and like it and share it with your friends also. Okay, thank you.